Mm, too good of coffee. Very much needed. What's up, Doubt? How we doing? Welcome in. I forget where we left off yesterday. Start server. Start client. Really, I think we're just trying to dial in this hot streak. What's up, Akira? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so just trying to dial in what there's a couple of things I need to do. This is heaven. You've come to the right place. Where we create heaven on earth by putting in the hard work over a long period of time. What up, Jeroen? Welcome. Welcome. Good day to you all. You look at that's so sick, dude. I mean, that's pretty sick. I think we need to I don't like the UI, but I it's A, it's correct, and B, it's just really kind of cool to have that right in your face. Let me make sure my bot is not in a bad place. I'm glad you stopped in, Goose. It's always a true honor. It's always a true honor, dude. Let me make sure that queued up. Uh, Queue it again. It didn't actually queue up. All right, so I want to turn on away mode again and just see and just oh, this thing's about to go slow. Let's just cut to the chase. I just wanted to kind of compare the two and just take a quick look. I had another thought. You guys let me know what you think. Damn, Akira. Insane, dude. 95. It's a beautiful thing. I'm glad to have you here, my friend. That's crazy. What was I thinking? Working from the office today, I feel dead inside. Dude, those are the days, man. I haven't done that in a long time. I know I saw that, dude. I'm dead inside over that. I did 30 push-ups yesterday. I didn't make it to 100. Uh, but at least I put the chest to the floor a couple times. It's just so demoralizing knowing I can't win the challenge. Okay. So what I wanted to do is this. I wanted to put on away mode. She's going nice and slow. Let me pop over here. So I just wanted to look at this for a minute. I have two thoughts. There's one thing we can do. One thing we could do is give these things little square. No, I don't like that. I was gonna say like you could have like 4 or 5 squares. So condense all these different little modes into just one. You push the queue into the server. Okay, cool. I don't have to murder anything, right? So you were on a habit streak. Okay, first of all, why don't I don't have the habit. Oh, cuz I'm not actually on a habit streak. I think this can dynamically change. Like I think this is probably pretty important in general like hey, you're doing good, keep it up. But we can dial that in. Okay, so I think it's good. I really do. Um, One thing I want to do is, you know what would be good? Is if you touch these badges to tell you what they are. Like maybe like a little pop-up that shows you what each badge means. I think that could be cool. I know, I saw you around. I saw that. Causing chaos for sure. Okay. All right. So let's just oops. Let's let's so you're in a habit streak, you're in a habit streak. Let's see here. I don't know if I need that. Do I use current? Oh, I do. Song's an absolute banger. Like they don't make it much better than that. Okay. So we get user from here, then I think another thing I want to do is pass this thing in. Well, like for this one, for instance, current user ID number. Cool. Okay. So now we're passing that in. So then we obviously need to pass it in. So here, for instance, user.id. Okay, done. Away mode doing the same exact thing. Wait, we're not done. Here, this is where it matters. User. So what I'm doing right now is user is basically am repeating the same query on all these different uh number. I'm repeating the same query on all these different widgets, so I'm just trying to pass them in once to prevent multiple server queries for ultimately the same thing. Okay, and then last but not least, data cooked. Cool. Hmm. Yo, what's up, Russian? I have an idea after all that. Get current UID. That's what I need. Sup, Late Key? Welcome, welcome. Just trying to remove some redundant queries quick. Try not to get too distracted by it. And I'm losing that battle, but I think I'm okay. Get current UID. UID. That's good right there. What's up, VR? Welcome. Mm. Do tell. Do tell. Navigation issue. We don't like those. Okay. All right. I think that's that. This is the other one. When you go to someone's post and click on someone in the comments and navigate back. Yeah, absolutely. I started my navigation. I used to do it one way and now I do it a different way. And there are still some artifacts of doing it the old way. And that's what you found. Okay, so current user ID, we don't need that. We got a banger alert. User ID, widget mode. So I'm hoping I can just do this. Yeah. Get current UID equals that UID. Money. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. So if you click on me, let me make sure this thing's even still loading all this code I just wrote. I can't tell if it is. I think it is. Search is pretty rough. Oh my goodness, why is away mode that color? What happened to away mode? Who hurt you, away mode? What happened to away mode? Did I delete something? Bah. But why is background color empty? Bro, what? Colors dot away. I don't know what that was. Yeah, search mode definitely needs some love. It's kind of an interesting way I implemented it. And I 0 out of 10 would recommend. It's like one of the first things I ever built in React. So yeah, it's not the best. All right. That was nice. Unfortunately, to do refresh the user, yeah. User custom hooks that get that use current user. User props. Ten seconds is way too horrible. Use current user if okay, that's lovely. Lovely. Can I find user? Classic. Okay, that should work. That should work. Where are we getting an error? User.data. Data. Alright, this one goes out to Jeroen right here. Wait, I don't want to call it out yet. I don't want to call it out quite yet. Data. Um let's just try it. Let's just try it. Here we go, Jeroen. Ready? Click away. Boom. Boom. She disappeared. That one went out to you. That was a bug we had where clicking here wasn't actually dropping that. All right. Holy cow. Back to what we're doing though. Away mode. I am away. Boom. Boom. Cool. Confirm visually. That's all we needed. That's all we needed was your sign off. All right. You are away. So we now need to All right, let's just try to bring this thing home. So if you're not on a current streak or on a habit streak, um, then you just get nothing. It's that simple. You are away. All right, guys, are we calling this good? Let me look at that. Let me look at the belt, the badge belt. So here's Akira's profile. Actually is on a streak. Whoa. 59 days. I guess I'm going to give that like a 6 out of 10. You think that looks good? The only other option is to make it this. No, I think. Not you, a 6 out of 10. I'm thinking this orange thing is a 6 out of 10. Like, I don't love it. I just don't know how much time it's worth. I don't know how much more time it's worth spending on it. I guess that's my concern. Like, there's probably other things we should be working on than this. I don't know what it should look like. Non-habit streak. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I like it on both sides. Let's see what it looks like. It's not bad. What about on one side? Hmm. Too sad. It just feels like I threw a couple emojis around it. Let's see what it looks like without it. Like, I think that looks cleaner, to be honest. I I agree there needs that it would be sick to have the icon. Let's just do one thing for fun. Okay, one thing for fun, then we'll time it. Guys, okay, look at this. You can't make this up. I bought one of these. We're gonna put ourselves on a timer on this investigation for 10 minutes, and then we are done. So whatever happens, we got 10 minutes. I want to try something. That's not the only toy I got, by the way. Only the other one's downstairs, so it's not as exciting. I bought it. I bought a device that if you tap your iPhone against it, it locks every single app except for call and text. Excuse me. Okay, so what I want to try is this. The brick, exactly. I bought it. I was like, yeah, I need that. I need to get off my damn phone. So you'll notice my habit, by the way. You'll notice my habit, his brick mode iPhone or brick mode phone. That's way better than phone in drawer. And I can actually prove brick mode with a screenshot, which I'm excited about. Okay. Anyway, back to this thing. Um, this is what I want to do. Um, optimal image. Optimal. How do I do this? How are things using this? Huh. The heck is this? Oh, sick. Optimal image. Okay. Image repo. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. There. Then optimal image. Style. Okay, that's the other thing I'm thinking, guys. What do we think about this? So obviously, it needs to be aligned a little bit better, but I got a one in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, it does look pretty good. I gotta admit. I gotta admit, it does look pretty good. Banger alert. What about that? Is that it? That's good right there. So that way it's still similar. Like if I put the emoji on the right, well look. Ah, crap. Well look, it's consistent with the problem I think is with it on the left. This title gets pushed to the middle, which is kind of weird. Like we never do that anywhere else. So it just feels a little off, I feel like. We do this right here. I guess we do it right here, first of all. Here we do it. So maybe it's okay. Is it? Yo, Joss, what's good? Welcome in. Thanks so much for the follow. Okay, cool. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. Yeah, I do like it, to be honest. Okay, one thing that's bothering me. Hey, we still got 3 minutes. Okay, let's look at the away mode then. Does that make sense? Away widget. Did I nail it? Where do I even get that? Huh? Because I don't have it here. Oh, yo, you tonk. What's good? Airplane. Yeah, we got to get on it. Airplane. Oh, that could look sick, I think, guys. I really do. It's almost weird because they're the same color as the background, but it looks cool. I can't explain it. Are we in agreement? Like it's like the weirdest thing where like they're so similar but different enough. Yeah, yeah, of course, got to fix that. I don't know what's going on with that, to be honest. Might be a flex thing. Money? Are we sure we like it more than over here? Yeah. Yeah, we can see both on the same view. Let me. That's what it looks like. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good, guys. Thanks, Akira, for your critique, for your critiques there. Thanks, Yatonk. I love multiple people agreeing. I agree as well. People kind of need big ass icons and symbols. Like I think that's just how it is. All right, let's kind of do a once over and call it good, shall we? Or maybe not right now, I'm assuming you mean, but um why are you in doubt? We should when someone hits the habit streak, oh, 100%, dude, 100%. That's another thing I want to start doing, Akira, is in general start hitting the timeline with more milestones and events. Dude, this app looks so sick. Look, we do it here also. The concept of an icon and then something pushed over. Away mode. Boop. Disappears. I wish it disappeared a little faster, but life goes on. Yo, what's up, Fleece? Yeah, there's that. Yeah, we'll probably drop emojis. Okay, let's call this an update. One thing I want to do maybe down the road is the concept of hold on, single scroll. Padding. One thing I want to do um down the road is I literally forgot because I'm stuck on this UI right here. What was I gonna say? Um oh, I think this the problem is people are only going to be on their current streak very infrequently. We should probably show different variations of this as you approach your streak and then surpass your streak. This shouldn't be limited to if you're literally on your streak. Maybe the fire emoji can be, but like imagine if you go for 200 days and then you break it, you're never going to see this thing again. So it's just a thought. How's the padding on that thing? Nope. Yeah, I knew there was a padding issue there. There. That's better. All right, let's call it an update so we can get back to proof. Oh yeah, good call. I will, dude. That's what you asked yesterday. For how long will the app consider you have maintained a continuous streak? That, yeah, like you want like just only showing that when you're on your current streak is a like y- should I just make it if you're should I should we just call it a habit streak? Here's my question. Should I repurpose that emoji or that widget to be habit streak in general if you're on a 3 or more streak and just give it to everybody, and then we can come back and give those who are on an absolute run a different variation of it, because this is the type of stuff that excites people. I feel like if you see that on your profile, you're going to be happy. I feel like it's worth giving it to everybody. I think you need it, dude. It does feel epic. It does feel epic. I feel like we need people to feel epic in order to want to keep doing stuff. Like if you like log in the morning and you see you're on a 3 day streak, you're not gonna like this excites me when I see this. I don't want to break this. Even though it's just 3 days. Like that gives me excitement. The type of stuff you really need, the daily dev dad joke. What's a ghost's favorite type? Boolean. Very nice, Dev Diaries. Welcome in. Perhaps a smaller frame or a smaller flame, and that's a cool idea. I like that. Maybe have a badge system with a big cooler looking badges for each milestone. That's another option. That's kind of cool. Like the badge changes as you progress. I just like Duolingo, don't they put this right in your face? Your streak you're on. If it's like if you're on like we could almost give you a loading bar if you're not on a streak. We could be like 2 days away from a streak, 1 day away from a streak. You did it. You're on a streak. And like really try to entice people to keep going. It just feels, it seems awesome. It's a shame to hide it. It's a shame to hide it. Because Akira and Logan are the only two people who will see that. Exactly. In the current way it works, you you would lose it. Preview notify when you're about to lose your. I could even argue that should just be in general. Like that's something to pull people back. Give you a streak saver after some time of streak. Yeah, that is true. Hmm. So here's what I think, whether it's this one or we build another one, I think there needs to be this sort of streak encouragement, or it's where like if I pull up Duolingo streak, not stock, streak, images. Yeah, let's look at this, guys. Look at this. This is their badge. They're putting a big fire thing sitting right here, and they're trying to encourage you to get look at this. Keep on fire. Get that flame lit. Like that's a cool way I think to encourage people. You could almost imagine we just put that right here. You could almost imagine something that goes right here. Um, I think that's important. I don't know if this is the update or if to create a new one, but I think the concept of encouraging people to keep their streak going should be loud and proud and in charge on your page. What if there's a rank system and you get rank points for successful days, bonus points for streaks? No, I do like the idea of a ranking system and point system. I do like that. The fire emoji should turn into an ash. Yeah, that would be, or yeah, that would be tough. That would break my heart. Hmm. So what would it look like? You know what? Another thing you can almost do is try to encourage people to just finish the week. It's kind of like Duolingo had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right? Um, that could live that could always just reset Monday, new week. And then on it, you can show the overall streak kind of like this. So I think for now we can push this one forward. But I do think there needs to be something that encourages people to um to try to maintain that streak. And a giant orange thing does. Like I think that's more important than proof, honestly. We'll still go to proof, but like proof is a very niche thing compared to a giant, hey, you should work on your habit today, right in front of your face when you open up the app for the first time. Like that's like in your face, loud, proud, in charge. Let's build habits. Habit streak badge. Challenge label. Yeah, that's fine. What is this? Labels. Uh-oh. Exactly. I think I think well, I never noticed until seeing this sitting right here, I didn't realize how valuable it would be. But just looking at this, I'm interested. And I'm only on 3 days. But like I don't want that thing to go down to 0. I want it to I want this thing to be a dynamic, like you're approaching a habit streak. You could even imagine it like are on record. You're on a record habit streak. Like it can be dynamic and really change in cool ways. So I think it's worth giving. I think it's worth almost just having in general. And then people who are actually on a record, they would get the fire emoji. People want bells and whistles. They want bells, they want whistles, they want flashing things. People like that stuff. Hmm. What would it look like? You are so it's like a badge container below the display name.
Yeah, there is room for improvement there too. All right, I want to spend time on this. I know it's a derailment of like this proof thing we've been trying to work on, but I'm too excited. I think a dedicated tab to now putting like that putting it on your profile that can differ, but I think having something that stands out right here on your today page, so you open up the app for the first time, you click here, then I think well, I don't know if we want to push it, if we're gonna just change it. We can push one today, but I want to think about this. So what I'm thinking is this. Let's go down here. This is what I'm thinking. Boop. Okay. Um Habit streak widget. What I'm thinking is um no streak in, well, so there's a couple ways to go about it. I almost think doing the Monday through Sunday symbol is freaking dope. I think that's a cool concept to like help you remember, hey, I should be doing this Monday through Sunday. But that kind of seems like a lot of work. Um what I'm thinking, like, what if you're approaching a habit streak, it's logs. So it's like you're not on a streak yet. So there's some logs. Yeah, absolutely, Akira. I think the app is kind of missing this sort of hype. Like, apps are usually like freaking hyping you up the moment you click a button. It's like flashing and there's colors and there's excitement. This is the first time I'm like seeing that, and that's why I'm so interested in it. I'm like, we need this level of excitement to push people forward, I think. Um I'm imagining the concept of uh fireworks and a bunch of metals. Okay, you were on a I think the easiest thing we can do is, if you're not on a habit streak, so if it's, I'm thinking maybe just like the easiest thing to do just to get this out the door right now is 0 to 3 days, you're um you're close to a habit streak. And then something like 4 to 6 days, and then, so I almost think we can have four. And then there's also record. So 0 to 3, you're close to getting on a habit streak. Uh, I think maybe honestly even just 4+ would be, um 4+. 4+, you're on a habit streak. And then if you're on your record, we'll give you. And here's another thought, by the way. One way we can distinguish people on a record versus not is background color. Habit streak. Okay, then I can go back to here. Colors dot habit streak. Okay, so what if I did this? Watch this, guys. Boom. This could be sick, guys. So what if here okay. What if you're on a record habit streak if that turns orange? Otherwise it's gray. So if you're on a record habit streak, it's orange. Otherwise, otherwise it looks like that. And I have a funny one, guys. What if we put logs? I have a funny one. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Um, yeah, I don't know what we would do with coins, but I do want to do a rate. I do want to do a point system in a rating system. So one thought, I think I am Steve O had mentioned this. Grow the thing. North Korean. What if for now we remove some people's locations? I don't you don't like you don't like the symbol next to their username? I feel like that looks pretty clean. Oh, you want to show their trophies. Hmm. Well, the problem is eventually people are going to have lots of trophies. Like you should like eventually you're going to have 150 trophies. Let me try something here. Size. Size. View. With size. Cool. So watch this. So if I were to make this size divided by 2. Oh, then I need to align it though. Center, justify content, center. Boom. So, new user created. Let's go. Look at this. So technically, divided by 4. If you're, this is just one thought. I don't actually love it as I'm looking at it. What if your icon grew? Yeah, I'm down to think on that. I don't want to just. I don't think that's. I don't. I'm not totally sold on that yet. I don't dislike it, but I don't want to just switch gears and work on that. I think we should think it through a little bit. I'm thinking people's profiles are looking pretty good here. If we get, if there's 8 icons plus on their username, that's kind of a lot of icons to digest. I'm thinking that's a clean page right here. I'm thinking that's pretty clean. I don't know about the emoji, but so we'll think on it. We'll think on it. What I'm thinking is this. If you what? Hold on. I have something I think funny. Ooh. Hold on. I'm trying to find a tiny fire. A tiny fire. Almost like a red water droplet. Ooh, this could be good. I'll download it for fun. Oh, that could be funny. A candle. Okay, I was thinking this. All right, all right, all right. PNG. Okay, hold on. Let me get these. Let me get these over to the app. I just downloaded 2 icons. I want to show you. I want to show you what I'm thinking. It could be genius. It could be genius. Okay, check this out. Let me close some windows here. So when you're not on a streak yet, I'm thinking this. Local image repo. Export const. Habit streak small. And then that's going to be, watch this. This is what I'm thinking, guys. Okay. On habit streak. Watch this. So people who, you ready? Here it goes. People who aren't on a habit streak yet, they just get logs. They just get logs. And it says you are close to a habit streak. And then once you get over 3 days, and then the message will be const 2 days from a streak. 2 days from a streak. All right. Tell me, guys, is that amazing or nah? Is that amazing or nah? And then the other alternative was this. Yeah, twigs would be good. I don't know if they have twigs. Let me see. Twigs. That's a good one. I do see well it's not it's just a twig. I need a pile of twigs. Here's the other option, by the way, guys. Watch this one. Here's the other option. So that's what it would look like on habit. And then so that's a set habit streak small, and then when you get on it, you get that. So it's like that one's you're kind of building a campfire, and that one you're absolutely on a streak. I'm gonna take a poll. Let's see here. Which image for building habit streak logs small fire? 1 minute start poll. Let's go. All right, let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. This is, let's go back to image repo. That is small fire. Dude, I need logs. I almost need the logs, dude. The logs are honestly way too funny. The logs are honestly way too funny. Yeah, I saw that one too, dude. I was thinking on that. It just doesn't it's just different. Oh, I like that, Yutong. Um, I like that. Yeah, but look what Yutong just said. I totally agree. It is very random. What if you said this? 2 days from lighting these logs. 2 days from lighting these logs. Something like that. 2 days from lighting it up. 2 days from a habit streak and lighting it up. Something like that. Okay, let's do it. I like it. I like it. Let's just do it so we can move on. So the idea is this. 0 to 3, you're close. Okay, final question, guys. Final question. And then we're going to drop it. Because we got to move on. Background color. Colors dot habit streak. When do we turn that thing orange? When you're merely on, probably when you're just on a habit streak. So if you're on a habit streak, in general, it's orange. Yo, what's up, Emil? How you doing? We are having fun today. On a habit streak, close to, nah. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we can do it for record too. So the one thing is I want to make sure this thing stands out. That's my only concern on not just showing it when you're on a habit streak, because like right now that's in your face. But that's pretty good too. That's pretty in your face too. Yeah, I can get down with that. I can get down with that. Okay, so let me do some stuff here. Get title. Const get body. Const get background. I think I think we're just gonna do two. We're just gonna do the logs and then the fire. So we want to do is current user, and then we want to do um is on habit streak boolean current streak number. Get body get color. Boom. Okay. If okay, I'll deal with that in a minute. User. So if um it so first of all we want to see if current streak is less than 4. Let prefix let postfix. Okay. Um you are close to a you are yeah. Else if is on post a record breaking a record else cheap viewers, yo, thanks dude, appreciate that. That's where I like to spend my time shopping for viewers. It's one of my favorite pastimes. Okay. So there's the concept of being close to one on a record. Um, a so oh my god, this is ridiculous. Okay. If is current user. So if it's the current user, we'll say you are so you are close to A, you are on a record, you are on A. The dev dad is close to A, the dev dad is on A, the dev dad is oh my goodness, what on earth is going on? Okay, so there's the title. Great. Nice. You are close to a habit streak. Get body. Get icon. Optimal. Habit streak small. Small. If current streak huh. All right, I need some way more. I don't know what the hell this is. Um. Okay, so there's the image. Habit streak. Bro, let's go. Dude, yeah, I feel that I was pretty tired myself this morning. So icon is what? Look at those logs. Dude, the logs are way too freaking funny. Yeah, we'll I'm kind of reading what you guys are saying. We'll definitely. I want to convert all this to the back end. Um, obviously, but that's a lot of work. Like I'm just trying to get a quick win and keep moving. You were close to a habit streak. Get body. Um, Cons days. If there you go. Dude, this is so sick. So, just one more day to go. Only blank blank days to go. Then we'll say return. Um, excuse me. You are on a. How do I get this thing to be? Let's see here. How the hell do I do that? Oh, I gotta wrap the whole thing in these single quotes. All right, guys, what are we thinking? Money or not? How do I? Oh, dollar sign. You are on a. Okay, then we need to pull the body in. All right. Are you guys with me on this? I haven't been really paying attention. No way. New user working on challenge alert. Let's go, dude. Get body. Okay. Um, let's see here. Just one more day to go to light the fire. To light the fire. Um, only blank days left. Only blank days left to light the fire. Only one more day to go to light the fire. Does that make sense? Just one more day. When am I switching to Linux? Never. I had Linux. It wasn't bad, but it's kind of a lot of. It's kind of like It's kind of like NeoVim. It requires a lot of consistent maintenance over time that I don't want to spend. Okay. Okay, just one more day. Just one more day to light. Just one more day to light the fire. Okay, so let me go back here. Let me botch this. Hmm. Interesting. Huh? Oh, cause my streak is broken. Dude, is this not sick? No way, dude. 17 months, bro. Insane, Louis. Absolutely insane. TG, what are you doing over there? Insane, Louis. Guys, what a life. Background color. If is on habit streak, return colors dot habit return undefined background color um only the B-Day Fury sure. Okay, let's see here. Background. I guess I don't pull in the background. Cons, background color. Okay, so I'm going to reverse this for fun. If they're not on a habit streak. Okay. That's it, guys. That really warms my buns. You are close to a habit streak. Sub day is arguably bigger. Correct. Okay, guys, question. Tell me if you hate this idea. Is it time to drop the Happy Wednesday? Or does that just does that just absolute I don't know, dude. What do you guys think? Okay, I need another poll. I need everybody to participate on this one. Drop or keep day countdown. It's kind of a lot of real estate. But I'm almost wondering if we have enough that we kind of need that real estate now. Here it is with. Here it is without. Here it is with. What up, Tribe? Here it is without. Put your vote in, Ibra. That's all you got to do. I will follow the chat's guidance on this one. I will blindly follow whatever is chosen. Whatever is chosen, I will follow. I need everybody to vote. Every single viewer. And do not tie. That's all I'm going to tell you is do not tie. Drop. Okay. I think it's sick. Guys. All right, so this is now what it looks like. Away at the top, press here to turn off away mode and get back to the action. Yeah, true. It does say the time literally 3 centimeters or 0.3 centimeters above it. Literally. It's like right there. Okay, watch this. You are away. Boop. Dude, I think that's clean, guys. Because listen. Here's what's going to happen. we're just always assuming if you're under 4, you're just getting the logs. You're just getting the logs. So guys, listen. When you log in, guys, you're a brand new user. You're a brand new user, you log in. You are close to a habit streak. Only 4 days left to light the fire. Boom. You see the logs. You're instantly intrigued. You're instantly intrigued. I think. I hope.